Okay, so what I'm talking about is the problem with what happened is not that it happened. I mean, it is a problem that happened, although I think it's kind of funny. But I think that what the problem is that what the ultimate decisions that they made, and see, because this is the thing, I went away and that happened, and then I was like kicking myself. Damn, I would have got Apple at $199. Of course, as a trader, we always assume we would have got the absolute best price, right? Because I'm a human being, so I want to believe that, right? It's like the biggest fish I would have got, right? So I would have got Apple at $199. I would have got Baidu at like $6.25. I don't know, whatever it went down to. Hell, I could have got ACN at a penny. Wow, at a penny, right? Okay, so first I was kicking myself. I still kick myself a little bit because I more likely would have got Apple at $199 than ACN at a penny, since ACN isn't even on my screen. Having said that, okay, there were people, I'm sure, that did get ACN at a few bucks and stocks like that, and thought that they made a gazillion dollars, right? You buy ACN at $5, you covered it at, you sold it at $20, bought 50,000 shares. No, let's say you bought 10,000 shares. You made yourself a nice little penny, right? You made yourself $150,000, $15 on a $10,000 score. That's pretty cool, right? Well, not so fast there, bucko, because next day they came out and they said, well, we're busting your first trade. So that left you short 10,000 shares of ACN from 20. So now, instead of you being up 150, thinking, wow, I could go eat sushi with Waxy, right? I could go eat sushi with that dude on the radio, the dude who's on TV sometimes looking goofy. I can go eat with him. No, you know what? I'm buying you. I am buying you sushi. You know why? Because you lost 200,000 because you had to cover that sucker at 40 or 41 or whatever it was. Anyways, so I think that this is just another example of how ridiculous it is to be not realize how ridiculous the markets are. Does that make sense? It's ridiculous to not realize how ridiculous it is, right? That's what I'm talking about. And anyways, so that's okay. So that's what I'm talking about, and we're taking calls 877-242-8212. You want to call in? So let's talk a little bit about today. Now that I got that out of my system, okay, I'm going to talk about a few things. All right, today, picture perfect setup. We had the gap down, boom, automatic buy. I bought Baidu. We had bought it yesterday. We had made a nice little jing on it. I think we caught it for about $10 yesterday. I added to my position, sold some yesterday near the close, added to what I had when it was down, I don't know, $10, $11 this morning. Stock is now up. What is it up? It's up a gazillion dollars. I don't know. It's up a lot. I don't know. What is it up? I don't know. I just know my count's up. Baidu's up 18. Whoa. And I'm still in some. So that's not bad. Pushing the high of the day here at 713. Low of the day is 681. That's $32, folks. That's why I like trading. That's it right there. I nailed it right there. Okay? I didn't catch the exact low, but we were close. All right? Nice little trade. Okay, so in this market right now, what I'm looking at on a daily basis, because I like to be mostly cash at the end of the day here, because it's just too crazy. You know, yesterday I got caught. Over Friday I had some puts. So, you know, I started and ended the day down yesterday, admittedly, all right? I made a nice little comeback at the end of the day because I switched and went long. But, you know, I started the day crushed. Finished the day down, but started the day crushed. So, you know, I don't really like that. So what I like to do, though, in this market now is, because we have such volatility and nobody really knows what the hell they're doing, okay? Nobody knows, are we going up, we going down? I mean, I think we're ultimately going to go down and really retest the lows we had last week and bust them. In fact, I think that 1,000-point drop we had, that's now a marker. I think you're going to see Apple touch that 199 mark again. It's going to kiss it. It's going to kiss it. It's going to make love to it. It's going to spoon with it. Whatever it is, it's going to do it. It's going to do it. Let's do it. Let's do it and do it again. All right, you don't want to hear me sing, do you? Probably not. All right. Good idea for me not to sing. My daughter's the singer in the family. She rocks. But, all right. So anyway, so I think that that's going to be like a marker. I will say the one thing that I am definitely on the party line, I'm not the only one, although I think I was one of the first people to call it. Now everybody's kind of mimicking me on TV, so, kind of sucks that way. But sometimes it's just the way life works. That, the dollar is, or the euro is going to trade par with the dollar, although I think it's going to happen this year. I think by January 1st, 2011, the dollar will trade on, or the euro will trade, or the dollar will trade. They'll both trade on par. So if you're a European, now is the time to buy American, because you ain't going to get that opportunity. We're coming over there. All right? Next year, I'm coming to you, and I'm buying your real estate. How's that? All right? I'm going to take a stake in France. I'm buying a piece of the Eiffel Tower. Okay? I'm going to Spain. I'm buying some of you. I'm going to Italy. And I'm going to buy a little piece of pizza. Okay? I'm going to buy European. I'm buying Europe next year. All right? Up till now, came over. You bought my apartment a couple years ago. Bought my apartment. They flipped it. God bless. I was happy to get out before the crash. But, this time next year, I'm taking a trip to Europe. Eurotrip. All right. I don't know. I'm a little goofy today. You can tell. That's what happens when I make money in the market. I get a little giddy. All right. So we're taking calls. Anybody wants to call in, and then I'm going to come back. We're going to go to a break, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to talk about what I think I see for the rest of the day and the rest of the week. And perhaps into next week even, we'll look into my crystal ball as the trader speaks.